Welcome back. Last time we talked about how to fine-tune a model on AWS Bedrock. This time I would like to show you how to use this fine-tuned model and also see how the behaviors compared to the base model. Let's see how to use fine-tuned model on AWS Bedrock. Get started to Amazon Bedrock. Let's go to background chat. Select model. Choose a fine-tune model. Titan unit test. And you can see currently this apply button is grayed out. We can now click it. The reason for this is because for base model or foundation model, you are okay to use the on-demand throughput, but for fine-tuned model, you have to purchase the provisioned throughput. So for example, like for using a foundation model, I can just apply here and use it. But if we change to the customized fine-tune model, this on-demand option is grayed out. This apply button is grayed out. So now let me show you how to purchase the provision throughput. So you just go to the provision throughput and type a name for your throughput name, choose the model, fine-tune model, your model units. I'll leave 1, no commitment. That's the part I said fine-tune model could be quite pricey. In this case, the hourly cost for provision throughput is $20. Every day will be around $500. Now let's purchase it, and later I will delete and disable this to save money. Now we have this provision throughput being created. It's in service now. It took about 15 to 20 minutes. We can use it in the playground for chat now. Select this fine-tune model, throughput, provision throughput. Let's see header. I'll just give some general test prompts to this customized model. And later I will try the same prompt on the foundation model. So I ask a few questions. Let's try ask the model to write a unit testing for us. Let's write the prompt, started from. So let's write a basic Python function to return sum of two values. Let's see this is a very simple Python function. Let's see whether this customized model will be able to generate the unit testing for this function. I don't think this unit testing script really match the function I offer to the model. That's quite surprising. I think the only reason why it doesn't behave well is due to the dataset we provided from the Hugging Face. This dataset description doesn't mention, but from what I understand, it's focusing on the NumPy, pandas, this kind of data science library, which may confuse the large language model a little bit. To make them think all the testing will be need pandas and PyTest kind of data science library. So basically, this customized model failed. We probably need to improve the dataset quality, or maybe we need to manually write down some unit testing, less amount of them, but more with better quality and cover more general cases to make it better. This response is where it's not usable. But let's try to bring the same prompt to the foundation model to see whether it's the issue from foundation model. Let's see whether this issue is from foundation model. I don't think so, but let's just have a look. So now we have the foundation model. Let's change the response to 512. And I'll try to ask the same question. The answer is different now, because when I last asked the same question to the customized model for "Are you familiar with unit test?" the answer was no. But now the foundation model seems like quite happy to answer my question to give a positive response. Let's try to give this unit testing prompt again to the foundation model. It seems to understand the source codes here, but not fully. Def is a keyword in Python. It's not in Java, but the foundation model of this Amazon Titan, I think it is a Java function, so it doesn't make sense. After all this play around, I just want to give a summary about this fine-tuned model. The good thing is we finished the fine-tuning. The model was built. We could be able to use the playground. I also tried to use the Python SDK. We can use both of them to communicate with the customized model. The issue is the fine-tuned model was not that smart. I believe it's because the data set we used quality was not that good. So in the future, we'll probably need to update the data set to fine-tune it again. Another thing to mention is fine-tuned model is quite expensive. For 1 unit of this model, it charges about $20 per hour. I don't think it's suitable for most of the small company or individual developers. In next, I will try to compare fine-tuning through OpenAI and fine-tuning through AWS Bedrock. Let's skip the fine-tune quality for now. Thanks for watching.